Do you want to free up space in Google Photos but keep all your pictures safely saved on your phone? First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture. Now go to Google Photos Settings. Tap on Backup and turn Backup off. From now, your photos are no longer synced with Google Photos. Then, open any web browser on your phone or computer. Go to photos.google.com. Sign in using the same Google account. Choose the photos you want to remove from Google Photos. After selecting them, tap the delete icon at the top. Confirm by choosing Move to Bin. Next, go to the Bin folder in Google Photos. Delete the photos from Bin as well. Once removed from Bin, the photos are permanently deleted from Google Photos, but they will still remain safely on your phone. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Tech Simplify.